transformers can change the voltage of alternating current or AC electricity supplies. They can be step-up transformers, so they boost the voltage, or they can be step-down transformers, so they reduce the voltage. So how does it work? What does that output voltage depend on? Well, it depends on an equation which links the voltages and turns of a transformer. Now the turns on each of these coils, the primary coil and the secondary coil, the output, will determine what type of transformer we have and how much it boosts or reduces the voltage. So let's take a look at this equation. So first of all, we just need to label this. This is the primary coil and this is the secondary coil. And we would link the primary coil to the input AC supply. So I put AC input, and our output would be on the secondary, and we can call that Vs, and we'll call the input voltage Vp. The number of turns on the primary we're going to call Np, number of turns on that primary coil. The number of turns on the secondary coil, we'll call that Ns. So we've got Vp, Np, and we've got Vs and Ns. So the primary voltage that's Vp. The primary number of turns, the primary coil turns, that's Np. The secondary voltage, that's your output, secondary voltage, that's Vs, and your secondary coil turns is Ns. The equation which links these four quantities together is that the secondary voltage, that's your output voltage, divided by your input voltage, that's your primary voltage, that ratio is the same ratio as the secondary number of turns, secondary coil number of turns, to the primary coil number of turns. So if you have twice the number of turns on your secondary coil, then you will have twice the output voltage to keep these ratios the same. And you will have a step-up transformer. So, as a summary, to create a step-up transformer, you simply need more turns on your secondary coil than you do on your primary. And to create a step-down transformer, you need fewer turns on your secondary coil than you do on the primary coil. We'll be using this formula on an example calculation in the next flashcard. See you then.